1307, 1311, 1317 East Boston, dates June 9th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the second cleanout. This is the downstream cleanout for this common shared line that runs down out under the parking strip, planting strip area. We are past the final turn, down kind of at the intersection of 13th and Boston, and we're going to come back around this turn. We're coming up out of a turn there. I'm going to zero out our footage. We're going to get an accurate count, or as accurate as we can, on this length here between that turn and this clean out here. Small hole forming in the top of the pipe there. Some root intrusion. Got a connection point to the left, on the left side of the screen. There's a branch arm connection down there. Pretty good root intrusion through a few of those seams. It was recently cleaned, but you can tell they were big roots by the thickness of them. We got a lot of rain today, so we're getting a lot of water down in the line while we're doing this. Back into the PVC here. So looking at, we'll call it 52 feet from here to the end. It's got another Y located right there. I'm going to end the video with a marking on the ground for a Y here. I'm going to try to figure out where it is.